Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a unique banana flower curry. It is a rich source of calcium and iron. It boosts immunity, controls blood sugar, and helps in reducing menstrual cramps. Ingredients are banana flower 1, urad dal or black gram half teaspoon, mustard seeds half teaspoon, jeera or cumin seeds half teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, grated coconut half cup, dry mango powder or amchur powder half teaspoon, salt as per taste, and coconut oil 2 teaspoons. Firstly, remove the petals of the banana flower until the white part is seen. Banana flower is considered as a superfood. It boosts the mood, reduces anxiety, improves the skin texture, and also reduces hyperpigmentation of the skin. Now add a teaspoon of coconut oil to a bowl of water. Then finely chop the banana flower and add the chopped pieces into this water. This step is essential to prevent the blackening of the banana flower and to remove the stickiness from it. Then remove the chopped pieces from the water and transfer them into another bowl. Place a pan over the stove and add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to it. To this, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal or black gram, and half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds to it, and let them fry for about a minute. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Then add the chopped banana flower pieces to it and mix it properly. Then add salt to taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder to it and mix it well. Next, add half teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur powder to this and mix it well. Close the lid of the vessel and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then finally add freshly grated coconut to it and mix it properly. Allow the coconut to mix properly with the banana flour and then turn off the flame. The curry is now ready to be served. Include this superfood in your diet once or twice a week. Try this and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful and informative videos. Thank you.